What is an ecosystem and how are living things connected? Join me as I dive deep into the world of ecosystems and try to uncover just how all living things are connected. Discover the fascinating world of ecosystems and how living things are interconnected. Understand the importance of ecosystems in maintaining biodiversity. Ecosystems are all around us, from the forests and oceans to the deserts and even our own backyards. They're like intricate puzzles, made up of countless living things that interact and rely on one another for survival. These complex networks are vital for supporting life on Earth, providing everything from clean air and water to food and shelter. The truth is, ecosystems are facing some serious challenges today. Pollution, climate change, and habitat loss are just a few of the issues that threaten the delicate balance of life. When we release pollutants into the air and water, it can have devastating effects on the plants and animals that call an ecosystem home. Climate change is also having a profound impact, altering the weather patterns and temperatures that ecosystems rely on to function. As habitats are destroyed or degraded, the plants and animals that live there are left without a place to call home. This can lead to a decline in populations and even extinctions. The loss of just one species can have a ripple effect throughout an entire ecosystem, causing all sorts of problems. For example, if a key predator is removed from an ecosystem, and ecosystems are constantly evolving. But despite these challenges, there's still hope. By understanding how ecosystems work, consumers and decomposers, producers, like plants and algae, use sunlight to create their own food through photosynthesis. Consumers, like animals and insects, eat other organisms to get energy. And decomposers, like bacteria and fungi, break down dead organisms, recycling nutrients back into the ecosystem. These components interact and rely on one another in amazing ways. For example, pollinators like bees and butterflies help plants reproduce, while herbivores like deer and rabbits help disperse seeds. Even decomposers play a vital role, breaking down dead organisms and recycling nutrients that can be used by other living things. Let's take a look at a key insight about the intricate web of life within ecosystems. A great example is the coral reefs. Coral reefs are one of the most diverse ecosystems on the planet, home to thousands of different species. But they are also incredibly fragile, relying on a delicate balance of relationships between coral, fish, and other organisms. When coral is stressed, it can expel its algal symbionts, turning white and often leading to the death of the coral. This has a ripple effect throughout the entire ecosystem, impacting the many species that rely on the coral for food and shelter. It's a powerful reminder of just how interconnected life on Earth really is. In summary, ecosystems are complex networks of living things that interact and rely on one another for survival. They are vital for supporting life on Earth. By understanding how ecosystems work and how we are impacting them, we can take steps to protect and preserve these vital networks. So, what do you think? What's your favorite ecosystem? Or how do you connect with nature? Let me know in the comments below. If you are interested in learning more about conservation efforts, be sure to check out my next video on protecting our planet's precious resources. Thanks for watching, like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for your excellent support.